Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Remote Vans. I'm here with our dealer partners, Campers Inn, and one of the great features on all of our Remote Vans lineup is this modular, portable, basically feel around our cyber shower. And so just to show you how clean and simple the design is, it only takes a second to set up, and I just want to kind of walk you through it. So right here, you just open this overhead. This is a great design because it gives you the chance to continue to use the overhead when you're not taking a shower, but also it's easy to transition. So when you turn these little knobs right here, you drop this guy down, open up your shower base, which also doubles as a bed step when you're getting into your bed. And then of course you would have your portable cassette toilet that you would move, or a dry flush, or a composting toilet. Many of our customers like to kind of interchange depending on their needs. But the good thing is like this entire shower curtain is completely removable. So if you want to take it out and dry it off completely, you can. But to set it up, it's very straightforward. You lift the top here, put it into place, nice and sturdy, and then of course you got magnetic entry and all that good stuff. You're gonna have full hot water, and what makes our cyber shower even more unique is the ability to conserve water, especially if you're overlanding or you're dry camping. So we have 30 gallons of fresh, but you know, you don't always want to feel rushed and have that sort of military shower. With the recirculating shower, you can rinse off with clean water and then start the recirculation shower. Take your time, and you're not drawing from the fresh tank. It's like you taking a bath. And then when you're ready, you drain it and you go back on fresh, clean water, rinse off and finish up your shower. But then you can take your time, and you're gonna use about 30 to 50% less water and not feel rushed when you take a shower. So that's pretty much it. To get it back down and out of the way, you'll drop it down, tuck it in, nice and clean. And then guess what? You get your entire van back, that's why so many of our customers love this. You spend less time than you think actually using a bathroom in a van, and it's a small space. So you really want to be able to leverage every piece of your 19-foot Sprinter van. So anyways, if you want to learn more, check us out, remotvans.com. And of course, it's available for purchase at any of the Campers Inn network that you'll see on our dealer map. So see you soon.